What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a new video from Pop Dynamite. And today is a fun one because today we're unboxing new technology. Cool technology. That is definitely going to make these videos look just a tad bit nicer. So I'm using at the moment an old Olympus camera that I've borrowed from a friend to record some videos. And it only records in 1080p, and but it's kind of cool. It does the job. It's alright. It's not too bad. But today I have a brand new camera. It's the new Sony A6400. So let's start unboxing it. So basically I decided on getting the A6400 for my camera. Now the reason why I did that is mainly because it's a badass camera. It records in 4K, it's super fast autofocus, it's got a nice little flippy screen so I can see myself. Battery life's not too bad. It's got tons of different accessories for it, tons of different lenses that I can buy from Sony as well to attach on the camera. It's just all round beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So today we're gonna start unboxing the box, which I won't lie, I have unboxed not a whole lot in here at the moment because the camera's just over that way, but we'll grab that in a sec. But basically what you're gonna get in the box is, if we rip this open here, you get manuals, which I left on my desk, but manuals are normally in here. And then a bunch of, normal boring stuff. The camera comes in this here, it's in this side here, so you get the camera in there. Then you have all your charging cords and stuff like that. And nice, ooh, love that. That little Sony strap. It's pretty dope. But that's what you get in the box. I know it's a very quick unboxing because I already pulled the camera out, but put that over the side there. This right here is the camera itself and the kit lens that come with it. So essentially the kit lens on this bad boy is a little 16 to 50mm. So it's nice wide angle to a bit of a portrait size lens, essentially very similar to the one that's actually on this Olympus camera at the moment. But it's so cool. It has a flippy screen. It's flippies. It's awesome. And it's got tons of different ports for all your mic and stuff like that, and all around looks beautiful AF. See? Look. One camera staring at the other. It's kind of cool. I don't know how it looks, but hopefully it looks cool. See? Absolutely awesome, and it's going to be absolutely perfect for some more vlogs and stuff like that. And it's going to look super nice and crispy. But you can't just buy a camera on its own. There's some things that you need. So, first thing I bought with the camera is obviously an extra battery. I haven't taken the extra battery out because I barely play with the camera, but extra batteries are needed. They are useful. So, extra battery. But then the next thing that I bought, which is really cool, is going to be this little thing here. So it's a little Sony handy grip / tripod thing, which I actually haven't opened. So, and then here it is, the man of the hour, the actual tripod itself. Wow. So this is it here. Yeah, it's a tiny little thing, but what makes this thing so goddamn cool is, first of all, I can move it up and down. I actually kind of like that, it's kind of cool. But see here, it kicks out like a little midget tripod stand. So you can sit like that, and you can obviously tilt that up. There you go, little midget tripod. And then, yeah, the next cool thing, also this here. So all these settings here, you see, you've got some like start stop recording. So that's that button there, start stop recording, which I'll be able to use a lot. Photo, and then this is your zoom, so you can zoom in and out, all from the little grip itself. So just using it in the one hand. Got all the cool stuff, which is really, really cool. And how it controls that is just by plugging into your camera just right there. But this thing, yeah, as I said, it's so cool. So instead of talking about the camera, so instead of just showing you the cool bits I got with the camera, let's jump onto the camera and we'll let's see the difference. Alrighty, well, what's up, guys, and welcome to the new camera. I know, right? How cool does it look? It looks so much better in nice 4K glory. It's awesome. And I'm using the little grip, so as you can see, I've got my hand here, my hand's on the grip obviously, and I can zoom in and zoom out. It's so great. Plus I can actually see myself, so when I'm actually recording the video I can see exactly what I'm doing, what I should be doing, and what needs to be in the shot as we like spin around my room. Whoa, went dark there. Yeah, so it's absolutely awesome. I absolutely love this camera so far. So it is quite a short tripod, so I have to get down a little bit so you can actually see me. Well, it's sitting on my Xbox at the moment, but that's kind of cool. But yeah, hopefully you can see that the image quality is a lot nicer. Plus it's going to be focusing a lot quicker. It's going to just look in general a whole lot nicer. Because we're at the moment recording in 4K 100 frames per second, I believe. But yeah, so I absolutely love this camera, and I've only really just started using it. There's so many cool things I have planned, so many cool things that we can do with it, especially now that I've got a little shooting grip. Hopefully the audio quality sounds a little bit nicer as well, so I don't know how it will sound. I'm not too sure what I plan to record first. I think we're gonna do some more vlog type, kind of like this, and unboxing things and showing off new things. And obviously we'll be getting more things for the camera as we go on. First thing I plan to buy hopefully is a microphone for this, because as I said, I don't know how the microphone sounds at the moment, and there's one that I'm teeing up and I really want to get that comes from Sony, except I could actually get it and get it here first, which could take a little while. Man, that's one thing that vloggers definitely don't mention. You need a lot of arm strength to hold a camera this far away for this long. It's not easy. It's pretty difficult, but it's really fun. I actually really like this. So I can just get up and start walking around like, oh my god. Oh, you can barely see me. Huh. Turns out with that. Yeah. See? I have a whiteboard now. Whiteboard. So hopefully show it off the camera slightly and see what it's like. I think it's pretty awesome. I think it's gonna look so nice in comparison to the old footage on that Olympus camera that you'll see, especially because now we're recording in 4K obviously and not 1080p. But anyway guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, just me showing off the camera a little bit and walking around my room and kind of rambling a bunch, because I don't know, it's just cool to look at myself and see my room and like, oh, 4K, it's crazy. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed that video, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Definitely subscribe button. We need more subscribers because we need to get to 1,000 as quick as possible, if that is possible. I believe in us, but you know, we'll see. So please remember to hit like, comment if you thought the video was cool, or if you think it was bad, or if you have any ideas or suggestions that we could use the camera for, that'd be cool too. Hit us up with that. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you in the next video where we'll be doing something. I don't know what we'll be doing, to be honest, because I have nothing planned at the minute, but we'll find something. Alrighty. Thanks guys, see you next time.